Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane is back at the Western Cape High Court to challenge her suspension. Mkhwebane's application against President Cyril Ramaphosa has resulted in her parliamentary inquiry into her fitness to hold office being put on hold. The suspended public protector has maintained that the president's decision was premature and in breach of Section 96 of the Constitution. Newzroom Afrika's Athi Mtongana is standing by to give us a preview, Athi, of what to expect today. Good morning.
A very good morning to you, Dudu. Well, you are right. The suspended public protector is back at the Western Cape High Court today and tomorrow to challenge the suspension by President Cyril Ramaphosa. As you've put it, she has argued and maintained that the suspension by the president was done prematurely and in breach of the Constitution. And then on the other hand, you have President Cyril Ramaphosa also maintaining that it was within his constitutional powers to actually suspend the public protector, given the parliamentary inquiry that's currently taking place before Parliament. But also what we know from the side of Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane is that her legal team has been arguing that the president suspended her before the starting of the Section 194 committee's work. That's part of the arguments that we've heard from Advocate Dalimbofu on behalf of the public protector, and also referencing the issue of the Phala Phala Farm robbery, where the public protector issued some questions to the president around that investigation within the public protector's office, and also given the investigations that Advocate Mkhwebane had conducted regarding the CR17 campaign funding, which also then were dealt with by the courts and were subsequently issues that were also looked at by the independent panel, which found a prima facie evidence of incompetence and misconduct against Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane. So they have cited some of those reasons, and they will also probably be arguing those reasons before the Western Cape High Court. I do need to remind you, Dudu, that on the 10th of June, this same court actually dismissed her interim relief application, where she actually was challenging her suspension as well as the commencing of the Section 194 committee. That particular application was dismissed, but they're back here hoping to get another try and lift the suspension by the president, as well as to also question the work that is currently taking place in Parliament regarding her fitness to hold office.
This time around, Athi will be footing the bill, as the acting public protector made mention that the office will not be picking up that bill.
The last time she was here, she was hit with a court order, and that is something that Advocate Dalimbofu has also been lamenting, and not in so many words complaining really about the fact that she has in many courts been hit with court order after court order, saying that it's become fashionable and that the courts should really consider looking otherwise regarding the issue of her being hit with personal court orders. But also do want to mention to you, Dudu, that Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane is also taking issue with the letter that was sent by the Speaker of the National Assembly, to the President, informing him about the Section 194 committee and that it would be starting its work after the Constitutional Court obviously gave way for the Section 194 committee to continue its work. And then we know with regards to that case, she filed a second rescission application. She's been quite relentless in the courts, to say the least, Dudu, in her fight to just stay in office. And now her suspension, and also again that letter that was sent by the Speaker of the National Assembly, she's also challenging that. She'll probably also be putting that before the courts this morning as well as tomorrow, and that is why the Section 194 committee has taken a pause regarding its hearings, and they will resume after the public protector completes her application here at the Western Cape High Court.
Athi Mtongana, thank you very much for that update. We'll continue to touch base with you throughout the course of the morning into the afternoon.